came out of hospital after getting treatment for leukemia about, what was it, 5 years ago now. Pretty much, yeah, what little muscle I had to begin with has totally gone. Needed to rebuild, basically. Saw an ad for you guys, which for the first time I've ever seen is just advertise normal people, trying to make themselves better. Probably the same answer you get from most people. They think they're eating well. They don't really realize how many off meals they're having until they start writing it down, which has been a big shock. Just wasn't seeing the weight come off. I'd tried different fad diets as well, and telling you how to do them. And yeah, you get the same result. A couple of weeks, you get bored of it, you start picking at other stuff, and before you know it, you've put the weight back on. So it's time to make a change. Just no nonsense, basically. No hairy fairy, I promise this, I promise that. It's the onus is on me. Nobody's going to do it for you. And the sooner you realize that, the better, basically. So you just got to, get on with it, knuckle down, and you'll see the results.